Welcome, fellow breathers. If you wake up feeling groggy and tired, this morning breathwork exercise will help you start your day more energized and more focused. Now, let's sit up straight with a straightened spine, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed, and take a couple of deep breaths in and out through the nose. We will start with 3 rounds of 30 seconds of yogic breathing, drawing the breath through the nose into our belly, then the rib area and into the heart area. Then we release with a sigh, increasing the tempo a little bit every round, followed by a 30-second breath hold in between the rounds. So take one last deep breath and prepare yourself for the first round. 30 seconds. Here we go. Keep drawing the breath into your belly. Now with the last breath, take a deep breath in and hold for 30 seconds. And let go with a sigh. Feel what this technique is doing to your body. Take a few deep, slow, gentle breaths and prepare yourself for the second round, but a little bit faster this time. Second round, here we go. Keep going. Now with the last breath, take a deep breath in and hold for 30 seconds. And let go with a sigh. Let the breath flow to its natural rhythm. Just take a few more breaths and prepare yourself for the third round. And we're going to increase the tempo a little bit more. Third round. Here we go. Last few breaths. Now take a deep breath in and hold for 30 seconds. And let go with a sigh. Let everything go. Let the breath flow naturally. Now feel how we've been energizing the body and the mind. The second technique will bring our nervous system back into balance. So we're going to keep breathing in and out through the nose, and we will inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 5 seconds. Take one deep breath and prepare yourself for a few minutes of coherent breathing. Here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now keep going like this for a few minutes. Stay focused on the breath. Now let go of the breath and feel how we've energized and balanced our body and our mind. You can just sit for a little longer, or you can start your day. Whatever you decide, you can come back to this practice anytime you need. Till next time, breathe well. Namaste.